Hi, welcome to Gallium Lab tutorials for Networker Cross Recovery. In this video, we will demonstrate how to restore a virtual machine from one vCenter to another using Networker. You will need a Networker environment with the data domain and a backup of the virtual machine you would like to cross recover. Here we have our Linux 1 that we would like to recover on our second vCenter. We will start by going to the Protections tab and adding our second vCenter to our Networker. Now that our second vCenter is added, we can add our vProxy by heading to the Devices tab and clicking on VMware Proxies. Select your vCenter server, select your vProxy, and add the administrative password. Wait for it to complete. Now we head over to the Recover tab, right-click on Recover, select New Recover, Virtual Machine Recovery, select your VM, click Next, choose Virtual Machine Recovery, select your second vCenter and choose a location for it to recover to. Next. Click Next. Give the operation a recovery name. Run recovery. As you can see, we now have a copy of our Linux machine on our second vCenter. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us.